Okay, so look, there's a car accident. Dude, they went over your lawn. On the corner over there. See, there's some trash. See, look, over some. Oh, dude, that one looks totaled over there.
What?
Oh! Dude, look at the front of that car. There's that one over there.
I'd like to know how that happened.
Dude, me too.
Dude, there's a car that's fucking total.
Dude, that car is totaled over there. There's the guy who was in the white car. Dude. What? Just taking up, just looking at the car.
Car went over our line. Fucking hell.
Dude, that thing is totaled.
Not really.
Dude, like you're gonna drive that anymore.
The other one on the other side of the way worse.
Yeah, dude.
The other one is fucking destroyed.
This is going on Facebook and YouTube.
YouTube.
I kind of want to go outside, but I don't want to get in it. Oh, look at all those parts on the...
That looks dangerous.
Dude, but that noise, though.
It was fucking loud.
It was a... Like, you could tell it was a car accident. Wonder exactly what happened. See, that car's messed up now.
That car's dead.
That car's undrivable.
Hey, get out of my room. No, you can't come